We have some 5mm polyurethane belt. We got to cut the right length for a particular sewing machine that we're going to put it on. I'm grabbing it in pliers here so we can put those ends near the heat. I'm going to light the stove. Turn it down low. I got the lights dim in here so that I can see the flame. I'm also going to turn on the vent. So my goal here is to get both ends of it warm, but I don't actually want to catch them on fire. A little fire is okay, but it smells up the house. So I'm just flirting with that flame. I wiggle them around. If they catch on fire, it'll go out. They're almost ready. Yeah, that ought to do. Turn the lights back on. I'll go ahead and stick them together. Get them lined up as good as you can. I twist them so I can line them up from one angle, and then I roll it over so I can look at it from the other angle. Make sure it's nice and straight across there. And just hold your pose for, I don't know, 20 seconds or so. And then it'll stop wiggling on you. That looks good.